Now we're sitting here at a boy's house. It's going to take us to eat. Say hi, Kathy.
Hi.
So we're waiting for him to come out. We're at his house. Just pulled up here. Over here on the east side.
East side.
I'm south side, but I love the east side. So we're waiting for him to come out.
Let's get some.
Yeah. What's that fucking commercial that does that shit? I wish I knew how to get the steering wheel down.
I can't believe he's going out.
Look,
fucking dark.
it's automatic.
Might TNT.
I found out how to do it. It's fucking automatic.
Yeah.
It's a knob and you push it up probably to ya. Yep, look. To ya. Up.
You figured it out.
Down, finally. Jimmy Brad said, "Stop knocking, honking, motherfuckers." Bye. We can't show you who we're gonna be with. Say bye, Kathy.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out, peeps.